Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Philips wireless speaker with any Apple MacBook. So first of all, you need to click on this power button once. And as you can see, the speaker is automatically in the Bluetooth pairing mode, but for some reason the indicator is still not blinking. Just click and hold this Bluetooth button for a few seconds until it starts blinking like that. So in the next step, we have to simply open the system settings on our MacBook. Then we have to go for the Bluetooth, and right now turn it on. Right now we have to select our wireless speaker, Philips TAS7505. So click on this connect button. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. At the end, you can go to the sound settings and just be sure that for our output device, we successfully set up our Philips speaker. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.